Your words are creating your reality. When we have a circumstance or something happened in our life that we have an emotionally charged feeling, that is impressing on the subconscious at that point. You've created that feeling state and you are then gonna project that out into your reality. When you live in that feeling state, so when you have that emotional charge behind a thought, you guys, I constantly am seeing people say this sucks, or this is too hard, or, I hate all men, or things are really tight right now. They are going to continue showing up for you that way because you are emotionally charging those words. So those are your truths. Those are your feeling states currently. When you stay in that emotional state, or when you say words of what you're seeing right now, and you're emotionally charging those with a feeling, you're just gonna stay on that disc and you're gonna keep creating those same results. I've said it before in other videos, it's what you're subscribing to. But a lot of times when we lose somebody, when we experience something that is traumatic, those set off emotionally charged feelings. Sometimes that's part of being a human experience, is feeling those emotions. And when you can master your emotions, decide which one you are going to give that power, that charge to, that is where you really hold your power in creation. You can choose what feeling states you're going to feel along with the words that you are saying, the feeling states that you're creating, the images that you're creating in your mind. When you ask yourself, how would I feel in this end result? That moves you into that state, not your current one. So that's the easiest, most empowered place that you can, and I'm not saying to avoid your reality. Your reality is what it is right now. You've already done that creation work. So when you can choose to master the emotion state that you're in and ask yourself that question, that is going to create images. And those images are then, because you have that emotional state attached to it, they're programming the subconscious mind. What you want is already here, it's already done. Your words are really, really powerful. And everything that you have experienced, you had as a thought in your mind at one time. You created those experiences within your life. Without looking at anybody else, at anything external, if you want to change your outside world, you first start from within. When you change everything in here, it projects out. This world is literally a hologram. Our truth is our subconscious. And that subconscious is creating your reality and just projecting it out. When you want to change anything about your current life, you have to match the energy of what it is that you want, which is that end result. Find that feeling state, and then that is going to create a new impression on the subconscious. And the subconscious is going to project that out. And that is what you're going to experience. So being mindful of what you're choosing to speak is your truth. A lot of times we say things either out of emotion, out of anger, out of, we've been hurt, we've lost people along the way. We are emotionally charged with those feelings, and then we make statements. Your life is a direct reflection, is a sum of your thoughts, your words, and what you are imprinting upon your subconscious. That is what you're experiencing in your life. So when you want to change that, you're going to master your emotions. When you master your emotions, your thoughts are going to change. The way you show up is going to change. Your actions are going to change. You will start knowing and acting intuitively from that place of knowing, from that end result, not from the place you are currently. That's why doing that work right before you go to sleep in that drift state is when you're catching the subconscious right as you are just drifting into that sleep state, is the open window for you to impress on the subconscious mind. I have created a meditation that is going to ask these questions right as you're drifting to sleep so that you can imprint a new reality in that subconscious, and you watch and see how it projects out into your life. We'll catch that right here. I love you. Thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you in the next one.